So as you all can see, I'm about to replace this cylinder. As you can see, the keys is not working. So the first step, you pop open this piece. Remember, this is a 1995 Toyota Corolla. You pop open the other piece. This is to take the steering, to unlock the bottom of the steering wheel. Now we're gonna use a ratchet tool. Then, as you can see, bolt is out. So now pull this inwards, and you can see the cylinder, the key cylinder. And in order for this to work, you have to turn the keys to ACC to be able to take the cylinder out. Got it. And as you can see, I was able to turn it to turn it past ACC. So the next step is to turn it to ACC. And by turning it to ACC, you see this point over here, you will have to use a pointy metal or some pointy plastic, and you will push upwards, and this will unlock the cylinder. So in this case, I'm going to use a nail. Hopefully this works. See if I can hold this camera and do this at the same time. Remember, ACC. Got it. Yes. And you push forward. See if I can hold this camera. Push forward, and you pull forward, push upward, pull. Oh, sorry about that. Pull, and voila. This is a new one. This is the cylinder. Alright, let's see. This is a new key. It's also right. let's see how this gonna work. As you can see, there's a hole. It's an empty chamber, and I'm about to install the cylinder. Just put the keys inside and turn it to AC. I have to take this rubber off. This is like a cover. Alright. Take this off and put it on a new one. It should slide on easy. Voila. Right. Turn it to AC. Right. Yes, so it went in. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if this baby gonna start. Off. And yes, as you could hear. Now let's see. Voila.